Hey friend, it's Simply T again. And if you enjoyed what we reviewed and installed last week, you definitely do not want to miss what I got for y'all today. I've got something else from the Sensational Cloud9 What Lace wig series, and today we're going to be trying together Miss Aziza from the same exact line. So if you want to know what I think of this, how it looks when I put it on, and all of that good stuff, you know exactly what to do, okay? Make sure you keep watching. But before you do, hold on. Come on in. I don't know if you've done this already. If you have, you're fine. But if not, if you're here from Instagram, TikTok, wherever, or you just found this on your homepage on YouTube, I think today, right now, would be a really good time to just, it's right there. That red button, I think right now, at this moment, would be a great time to get into it and just click it. You're going to be here for a while, and I've got lots more in store for you. So, I mean, let's just cut to the chase, okay? Is it me, or Sensational is getting a real fancy smanchy with their packaging? This is significantly different from the last wig that we tried on, which came in like the standard package. This one is, you know, wrapped up pretty tight. The wig that I'm trying on today is Aziza, and it says right here the name of the wig, and then it also says 26 right next to it. So straight out the gate, before we even open it, is already letting us know that Miss Aziza is 26 inches long, okay? This wig came in the color Melt Mocha. Now, I've tried flamboyage, balayage, straight up solid colors, but this must be something new. I've never tried the color melt style coloring, and it comes with a 13x6 ear-to-ear HD lace frontal. So that's going to go from here to here, which is what I prefer. You know, that's just what I like. And it also comes with a mesh cap with an elastic wig band, which means it is going to be truly glueless, okay? So for those of you who don't care too much about glue, wig adhesive spray, or anything like that, you can go ahead and get that same melted look without a little help. Okay, ooh la la. All right, I like so far. First impression, I have to say this elastic band is a little more firm than the elastic bands I've tried on synthetic wigs before. I'm not saying it's tight, but it's secure. So far it says it's pre-plucked, but just for the sake of matching my hairline, the final product to look like, I'm gonna go ahead and pluck it off camera, and then I'll meet you guys back here for the install. This is the installed look so far. I like it so far, but just kind of going through it, and a couple thoughts I had while I was installing the wig. I am ready to share some of my thoughts with you guys. First and foremost, the parting space from the Cloud9 What Lace Wig series is what's definitely at the top of the list of what's always going to keep me coming back. The fact that I can part this in the middle, I could part it on the side as well, that's always going to be a huge selling point for somebody like me, only because I'm not always going to be able to go out to the grocery store to different functions wearing my wig the way I would love to, where it looks nice and cute, where it's, you know, all pulled to the front. Sometimes you're in situations where you need to pull it behind your ear, put it into a high bun or a ponytail. Second thing right off the bat is going to be the color. I wasn't too sure about the color. I was kind of just playing the lottery when I ordered this particular color off of the website, just because every now and then I like to just close my eyes and take a chance on what I get. I wasn't sure how it was going to come out with the Color Melt Mocha. I will say that it's really cute. I did not know that choosing mocha was going to entail getting this blonde in there as well. I'm not mad at it. I actually like the kind of ombre effect, so that's a plus on my list. Of course, my third like and pro about this wig unit is going to be the lace. Okay, that's pretty much why I always can put my trust in this particular wig series, because time and time again I've been a bridesmaid in weddings and wore this wig. I've been to different formal functions, work functions, all types of occasions, and the wig lace never lets me down. Like, seriously, that's why I have a whole playlist on my channel dedicated to this wig series. The lace is going to be like non-existent. I love it, so that's always going to be a huge plus for me. Quality and thinness of lace. But I do have to say, when it comes to Miss Aziza, this is definitely a wig that you're going to have to keep your brush and some type of wig spray nearby to truly enjoy at its fullest potential. And the only reason why I say that is because, as pretty as it is with the lace and the texture and all of that, I must say, even, you know, after taking it out of the packet and styling it, you know, putting my wig adhesive on and melting the amazing lace down to where I wanted it to be on my hairline, it did give me some trouble with shedding and tangling. This is, of course, a synthetic fiber wig, so that's to be expected with synthetic fiber wig installs. However, some are a lot less easier to manage than others. With this one, I'll say I'm glad that it turned out the way that it did, but I was not able to achieve that without assistance. In this case, I went ahead and used a detangling brush, so I was able to detangle some of those kinks along the way, whether I was doing it to kind of hot comb my hairline after plucking it, hot comb the parting after styling the wig. But it was not with tangles and, you know, getting rough throughout the process. For this particular install, I did use this. I'm not sure what type of wig sprays that you use to help keep your synthetic wigs shiny or to detangle them, but this is the one that I used during my wig install process, and I like this particular spray because it actually helps keep the shine. With this kind of curl or texture pattern, it's super easy to lose the luster and the pattern of the wig, as you can see, because it's looser in texture. So all in all, this is the part where I'll let you know if I would recommend this to you guys, spending your coins on it like I did. I like the wig, do not get me wrong, I will purchase it again and again and again, but if I'm going to recommend this particular wig from this wig series to you, I would do it with the recommendation that you use a detangling brush and you use some type of specific to synthetic wigs detangling spray to help you along the process. No, don't sleep in it. You know what I mean? I know I like to sleep in my wigs sometimes, my human hair wigs and my synthetic wigs and stuff like that. This is not one of them. Take this girl, put her right back in her packaging that she came from, tuck her in a drawer until you're ready to wear her again, okay? Keep her safe, because this one is high maintenance. Not because it's hard to install, but because it's going to take a lot of tender loving care to maintain. It is away from one of my favorite wig lines, but it's gonna take some work to keep this girl together. So what is the final verdict on the sensational Cloud9 wig unit, Miss Aziza? I would definitely add it to the list of recommended wigs for sure. I can see myself buying it again. It is 26 inches long, which means the longer the wig is, especially when it comes to synthetic wigs, the more care you have to take with it, because you have a whole lot more wig space to kind of take care of. As usual, guys, I'm going to show you a couple of angles of this wig, and I'll meet you in the comment section so you can go ahead and tell me if you've already tried this wig, if you would try it, or if you want, you can go ahead and let me know what your favorite wigs are to try, and maybe I should try them too. Guys, as always, thank you for clicking play on this wig install video. Thank you for all of your comments, your follows, your subscriptions, your shares. All of your support means so much to me. So you know how this goes. I'm gonna go ahead and meet you guys right here, same place next time, okay? Peace out.